I have here a camping mattress. It comes in a nice little storage bag. And take it out. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use and see what it looks like. So I'm going to finish rolling it out and show you what it does. I got the pad laid out. It's nice and big. I'm going to show you how easy it is to inflate and use. When you're ready to inflate it, the top here where there's a little more padding, like a little pillow piece, you're going to pop open this side, but keep the other valve on the other side closed. So I'm going to take it, and then I'll take my foot and step on this to inflate it. Once you're done inflating it, take it and close it, and then it is ready to use. So at the top here, you can see it has a built-in pillow, so you don't have to worry about bringing a pillow with you when you camp or use this pad. So you can see it's nice and thick, really firm. There's lots of air inside here, so it's gonna be really strong and sturdy. On the edges here, you can see how thick it is. It's a nice thick mattress as well, and it's nice and firm. When you press on it, it holds tons of air and stays in it. On both sides here, there are little attachment pieces here. If you want to buy more than one mattress, you can attach them together. So you can see they're on both sides, so you can attach more than one. This pad is very comfortable. It's not collapsing in at all when I lay on it. So I'm not feeling the ground when I'm laying. When you're ready to deflate it, this top one's gonna help deflate it. You'll have to pull it out 2 times, and you can see the air comes out really fast. Then I can just fold it up and get the rest of the air out. Once I get all the air out, I can fold it up to how I like it. Once you get it rolled back up, just make sure you close the valve so it doesn't fill up with more air, and stick it in your storage bag. It fit really well back inside the bag, so this is gonna be perfect for my next camping adventure. This camping mattress is super nice. It's super thick, really easy to blow up. You don't need anything. You just use your foot to pump it up, and then it's gonna be super easy to deflate. So I'd recommend this to anyone that goes camping that needs a small pad, but is super thick and super easy to use.